what is an asset, and what is a liability. In this video, I explain very clearly how to differentiate between these two important terms. An asset is simply anything that puts money into our pockets. A liability is exactly the opposite of an asset, since it ends up taking all the money from our pockets. Examples. Example of asset: setting up buying a house to rent or financing an entrepreneurial project and starting your own business. This will put money in our account. Example of liability: buying a vehicle for home tasks, like taking kids to school and shopping. It is recognized as a liability because the vehicle will require fuel purchases, replacement parts, documentation, among other things. Experts like Mr. Robert Kiyosaki and Donald Trump argues that in financial matters, wealthy people focus your efforts on activities that generate income continuously, while the poor and middle-class people, they acquire liabilities throughout their lives. Debt. Let's grasp the meaning of the word debt. It's a form of slavery or obligation where one must return something, usually money. We should know there are two types of debt. Good debt. It's the one you enter to buy assets. It's the debt that other people pay, or the debt that is paid with the earnings the asset generates. Bad debt. It's all the money that is borrowed and almost always high interest is paid, and it's spent going out to parties, inviting friends to pricey places. This debt ends up being paid by us and doesn't yield any return or profit from it. Final recommendations. Our most sincere recommendation is to manage your personal finances and achieve financial freedom. It's necessary to know how to distinguish an asset from a liability and focus on acquiring more good debts and fewer bad debts. Thank you very much for your visit. We hope our video has been helpful in motivating you to take charge of your financial life. Don't forget to subscribe and share so this message reaches many people. Leave your comment below. Strong hug and see you in the next video.